If you're an online fitness coach and you want to add an extra $10,000 or more to your business in the next 90 days without running paid ads and without working 12 plus hour days, then you're going to want to hear this. I'm Tobias Young, IFBB Pro and 7-time fitness cover model, and I'm founder of TNT Fit Pro Coaching. Over the last 16 plus years of coaching online, I've helped hundreds of fitness coaches build 6-figure businesses organically. And I've taken everything that works and packed it into one powerful roadmap. Most coaches are out there spinning their wheels. They're posting content that gets likes, but no clients. They're relying on referrals that dry up or chasing leads who ghost them after a message. The truth is that none of that works long-term without a real strategy. That's why I created the 90-day 10K roadmap. It's a step-by-step system that helps you dial in your niche, attract qualified leads daily, and turn conversations into high-ticket clients without sounding sleazy. We've had coaches land their first 5 to 10 online clients. Others hit their first 10K month, and some even quit their in-person job in less than 90 days. And if you're ready to stop guessing and finally follow a proven blueprint, click the link, check out the details, and grab the roadmap while it's still free. Give me 90 days, and I'll give you the foundation to build the business that you've been dreaming of.